Okay. What is gene? Gene actually has three parts: promoters, opening frame, and terminator. Promoter are the regions where the transcription factor they actually bind. Okay. What are transcription factors? Abir, can you
Yes, sir. Yes.
hear my voice? What are transcription factors?
Transcription factors, sir. This helps to DNA to DNA turn to the RNA.
That's help in the transcription of the DNA from RNA. In a cell, this replication, transcription is the process of creating an equivalent RNA copy of the sequence. Okay, so you have already know this process, but the transcription factor are the very important. As I had told you that the gene that has promoters in this sequence, you can find that there is a ATG. ATG is the first codon and TAG is the last codon. It's a stop codon. ATG to TAG is the opening frame. Okay, and before the ATG, there is a promoter. As I told you that how to isolate the promoter sequence, you have to isolate the promoter sequence before the start of ATG. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So okay. Now our second step. No, our second step. You have send me the all the sequences. You send me all sequences.
Yes, sir.
That is peptide sequences. Okay. So now you need to write the now you have to give the name to all these different proteins. Okay. So please don't mix, because every here if you give the name to this sequence, you will give the name like CAZHD1. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And similarly, the same sequence that are present in other like in CDS in promoter or in genomic sequence, the same the sequence will have the same
Name.
Okay. So I'm just and how you will give the name.
Sir, we will use the scientific name. The first portion of the scientific name will be capital letter, and second portion small letter, then the gene family name. Am I right, sir?
Okay, that's great. So we have Arabidopsis sequences. We have capsicum annum sequences, and now we will definitely have now we will get you must have tomato and potato ZHD sequences as well. Did you have
those sequences, sir, for the tomato and?
Yeah, just peptide sequences, no other, only peptides. Do you have that?
Sir, I have the sequence for others. The brassica, so I can manage that. I can collect that.
It's not a big deal. I will just download these sequences from Phytozones in a click.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just first of all, we need to know genome-wide analysis of ZHD in potato. It's not done still in potato, is it? This analysis has not been yet been done in potato. Okay, so you will take sequences of tomato, just a tomato, it's okay. Okay, because you are working on chili. because tomato and chili both belong to solanaceous family. So you need to have these sequences. You got my point? Okay.
Sir, I think there is a net problem. I didn't.
Okay. I'm just I'm recording this video. It will be no problem with you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So ZHD has. I'm just asking you to analysis and okay, that's great. Phylogenetic analysis. I want to show. Is there any PDF available for this? Download PDF. It okay? This says that there are 22 genes in tomato, and how many in chili?
I got 15.
Okay.
There are duplication for several extension number.
Okay, so how many in total now?
Except the replication, there are 15.
How many total?
15, sir.
And duplicated one? Total?
Total, sir, 23, I guess. Let me count, sir.
Okay. So it means that it's very similar to tomato.
Yes, sir.
Let me, okay. So you will need to have these sequence, you will have these sequence IDs. I have no idea from where which database they use. They use Soul Genomic Network. Okay. So they have isolated, download these sequences from Soul. 22 genes were found. 25 ZF gene sequences were downloaded from the, and 22 genes were found when searched against. Okay, several tools were used. Okay, 22 genes have, there are 22 genes. Okay, then how they actually I'm just they have divided these gene into 4 or 5 different groups. Okay. No problem. Okay. So you will also divide this into very different groups based on their homology. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
You have an idea about how to make this tree?
Sir, I done it in Mega 11 and use the ITOL website for coloring it.
Okay, that's great. ITOL. You will use the ITOL. Okay. First, make this in Mega and then use the ITOL and then make the tree. But you will use the same. I have no idea okay, how to. Let me think. We need all these sequences. Arabidopsis thaliana we have. We will use okay, I'm just sending you the tomato sequences. Let me, I just identify the, I will just identify. Okay, I copy it. And then we use the pfab. Did we save the domain? capsicum annum. Arabidopsis, ZHD, genes, it's okay. Copy it, and then we will find using this PFAM. Then we will identify the ZFHD dimer. Is it the same? Okay. I think you are not hearing my voice.
I'm hearing you, sir. No problem.
Okay. I just copy the ZHD dimer domain. Okay, and then I will use the phytosome to download the tomato sequences. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you will do the same here in you may use Solanum tuberosum database, maybe some earlier one, Solanum lycopersicum, maybe 3.2, maybe this is an older one. They may download this from this database, and then we make the ATZFD. Okay, and then we will add the sequences here.
ZHD, sir.
ZHD. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay. And then we will use the BLAST P proteome, and then okay. So there are 36 hits they found. Okay. We will, when we will, okay, I just log in. Okay, I have already something in cart. I will delete that. Okay, now I will add all these things into my cart. You understand what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now these 36 maybe they will not download the same genes. Okay, so now how many will left after download? $50. Okay, I will send you all the sequences here, and yet then you will compare it with the ID from this paper and give them that ID. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, sir. I got it.
ID from this table. I'm just sending you this paper of the tomato. And also the sequences. All these sequences. No, here. I have no idea how many of these are here. Let me to count it. This is a raw sequences. Control V, file, save as. Solanum, Lycopersicum, raw from phytosome 3.2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me count how many are there. Okay. So for that purpose, I have no idea how many are there. Let me, okay, how many? Copy, Control F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. So you will keep the name, okay, all the one, only those 26 sequences that are present in
The
there,
paper.
that database, okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
And then we will make the tree. Like here, it is a table here. They have this table in that paper. Where is that? Where is the PDF of this paper? Download the PDF. I have already downloaded this. Okay. A Journal of American Society of Horticultural Sciences. Here, all these, first of all, find this copy, and this is known as the SLZH1. ZH1 इन्होंने कहा हुआ है, maybe. Okay. Control F, Control V, and this one. Okay. Give them a name like SLZHD, one, whatsoever they have given the name them. They given ZH1.
That is one. Yes, sir.
ZH1. Okay. Similarly, you will find all the sequences and give them this name. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And then after that, we will make the tree. If you can do that right now, just send me after you complete it. Then then we will proceed further. Hello. Hello. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there.
Should I send you?
Please, sir, send me.
Okay, you do it. After when you complete it, just let me know. So we will do next thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you summarize the lecture 2 days? What should I do?
You just I'm sending you this video as well. Okay, you can see that.
Okay, sir.
First of all, I have already downloaded the sequence. I have already download the tomato sequence, tomato जो भी है ZHD या HD sequences. Is HD?
ZA, they have written
ZA sequences. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You just need to rename that according to the paper.
Okay, sir.
Only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And just do it as so that we will continue our lecture after you will send me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, do it and then send me.
Okay, sir. Besides, sir.
Okay.
Sir, beside this, I have to rename the file I have sent you.
Okay, only the sequences that are present in that paper. In paper, they said that they have 22 sequences, but what we have downloaded 36 sequences. You will only rename 22 sequences. All the other sequences will be deleted. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.